What is up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. To a beautiful, beautiful day here in Cape Town, and today's Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. Right now, we are all packing into a car because we are going on a safari. So we are ready to start our road trip, and we have about 4.5 hours to get to where we're going to be staying and safaring. But driving's boring. I don't want to watch it. You don't want to watch it. So instead, I'm going to cut to some clips from yesterday, because yesterday we had a huge barbecue, had a bunch of people over. It was so much fun. Let's cut to some barbecue footage while we do some driving. Oh, he's gonna take over. Is that how they use it? You guys. I just in progress. That just looks like it's only one bit. What a big guy. Cheers to the chefs and to all friends. Good morning, guys. We have skipped ahead a little bit here. We were at the actual park where we're gonna do our safari. We got in super late last night and had an incredible, huge Thanksgiving dinner with everybody. So I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Good morning.
Hi.
What animal are you most excited for?
I'm excited to see a giraffe. Wow, I didn't know that was there actually.
Giraffe?
Yeah, it's pretty perfect.
Well, is this us?
This is us.
Back from the side.
Okay, we're about to start our safari, and I already went on a safari in Namibia, and I'm working on that video. It's coming out soon, super excited about it. But Stasia, this is her first safari, and the first time seeing things like giraffes and rhinos and all these cool animals. Cut to amazing safari footage. Price for y'all, snake eyes on dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all. 8-6 all the hay, I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. Don't step in the elephant poop. Yeah. Guys, the safari is going incredibly. I'm not sure if you guys can see it back there. Those are elephants. How crazy is that? Also, I want to mention that my safari outfit is on point. It's tan, on some sandal tan. Oop, taking a group picture. Holy crap.
Laura's the cat whisperer.
So close to these lines right now. But Nelius is getting out of the car. That's how confident he is. Look him in the eyes. Oh. Oh, that was scary. That is a zebra. Probably like 10 feet away from me, which is incredible. In fact, this whole game drive has just been incredible. Right now we're just finishing our breakfast at this lodge back here, and bye buddy. Yeah, we've gotten so close to these animals, way closer than any of the animals I saw when I was in Namibia, mainly because the stuff we saw in Namibia was more, I don't know, more wild and more dangerous, so we couldn't get that close. But now we're all hopping back into the car because we're gonna go on our second drive, and I'm excited to see one animal in particular, and that is the hippo, and that's because when I was in Namibia, I didn't see any hippos. So let's cross our fingers, get into the Jeep, and hopefully we see some hippos. The longer Stasia has stayed there, the more aroused that zebra has gotten.
Been a little too nice for y'all. Now I gotta up price for y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hay. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'.
That one makes sense. There's a big old pocket under it.
Nelius is like looking under rocks right now to see if he can find any like scorpions and snakes and spiders and creepy crawlies.
Much harmless.
I've never seen one like that.
Unless you're like allergic to bees.
Is it gonna crawl on, or do you have to push it on? Do it for the vlog. Justin pushed out.
Do it for the vlog. Yeah. Come on. I don't want to do it.
Oh my god.
Ah.
Please, Stingle. Can it hang upside down like
Wait, how do I get it off of me?
Just pictures are about to fuck you up.
Alright guys, it's kind of the end of the day here, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not sure if it's just going to be a bunch of clips of animals, which I still think is really cool, but right now it is the end of the day, sun's going down, and and as you can see, I'm with all my friends here, and I've taken so many pictures and videos today that I think I'm gonna put the camera away just for a little bit. We're still gonna see some hippos, hopefully. I'm gonna enjoy hanging out with these guys, and yeah, I'll check back once we get to, hopefully, the hippos.
They attack 20 people a year.
They could be like right there and we wouldn't know it.
30 people die every.
Oh, he is right there.
Oh, shit. Okay, don't turn the car off. He's very hard, Laura.
That hippo is so close. Oh my gosh. I see the bubbles. Follow the bubbles. Follow the bubbles.
Wow.
Wow, it's really moving.
Yeah, he's fast.
But yeah, when he's moving now, he's walking on the bottom.
What?
That's so cool.
Shut up. Wow. Oh, look. Oh, there he comes. That was incredible, guys. And the final check on the bucket list for things I want to see today. So I think that's a perfect place to end this video. I hope you guys, incredible sunset. On that note, guys, I think that's a perfect place to end this video. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed. Happy Thanksgiving to you. Guys, say goodbye to the vlog.
Bye-bye!
The show is over. The vlog is done. I will see you in the next video.
Sunset. Roll sunset.
You have to subscribe to Justin's vlog.